Hi students, today we're going to go over Unit 6, Module 1, Session 6, called the Lemonade Stand. Let's go ahead and read the directions at the top. It says, Troy and his little sister are going to sell lemonade to earn money for the wildlife refuge near their home. Troy's parents have agreed to pay for the ingredients and the cups. The kids are going to charge 50 cents a glass for their lemonade. Fill in the table below to show how much money they'll earn. So I see that one glass sold is 50 cents. How much money would it cost for 2 glasses? So 50 cents times 2 would be $1. That's correct. And 3 costs $1.50. 4, $1.50 plus 50 cents would be $2. And then for 5 of them would be $2.50 because I'm adding 50 cents again. How many glasses would cost $3? That'd be 6 of them. 7 glasses would cost $3.50. 8 of them would be $4, adding 50 cents each time. 9 would cost $4.50. And how many would cost $5? That's right, 10. Number 2 says, use the grid below to graph the amount of money they'll earn as they sell glasses of lemonade. Give your graph a good title. I'm going to call this graph the lemonade stand. If you have a different title you would like to use, that's fine as well. Just make sure it is on topic, the lemonade stand. Is my X and Y axis already labeled? Yes, it is. Looking at the X axis here, I see its number of glasses sold, and here it's money earned. The directions again say use the grid to graph the amount of money they'll earn as they sell glasses of lemonade. So if then they sell 1 glass, it's going to be 50 cents. 1 is 50, 2 is 1, 3 is 150, 4 is 2. Looks like we're just going to follow this pattern up here. Even though this stops at 10 for $5, I know that if I kept going, it would just look like this. And that looks like that's on a linear pattern. Let's see how well I can draw a straight line here. This is on a linear pattern in a line. Let's move on to the next one. Number 3, why do the points on the graph form a straight line? So the points on the line form a straight line because it's consistently adding 50 cents every time. Let's erase that. It's consistently adding 50 cents each time. For each glass. Number 4 asks us, the first day they opened their lemonade stand, it was really hot. Troy and his sister sold 24 glasses of lemonade between noon and 3 p.m. How much money did they make? Now, this question's trying to trick us a little bit. Do we need to know the information of between noon and 3 p.m.? No, not really. How much money did they make? We'll have to ask myself, how many glasses of lemonade did they sell? They sold 24. If you were to look back at your previous table, it only goes up to 10, but I know that each glass of lemonade costs 50 cents, so I would need to take 50 cents times 24, which is the same as thinking 10 or $1 times 12 cents. 50 cents is half of 1. I'm going to take half of 24. 1 times 12 is $12. And so how much money did they make selling 24 glasses of lemonade? $12. Number 5. Number 5 says, between 1 p.m. and 5 p.m. on the second day, they made $14.50. How many glasses of lemonade did they sell during those 4 hours? Ooh, this one's a little tricky because it's saying 50 cents times an unknown number equals $14.50. So then we have to think, I know that 28 glasses of lemonade would be $14 because half of 28 is 14. Each of these glasses costs half a dollar. So if I had 14 glasses of lemonade times $1, that'd be $14. Split that in half, 50 cents times 28 glasses of lemonade would be $14. Here it's $14.50, so it's not 28 glasses of lemonade. Instead, it is 29 glasses of lemonade. Because I know that 50 cents times 1 equals 50 cents. And then $14 plus that 50 cents equals $14.50, same there. 28 plus that 1 equals the 29. Looking at the next one, number 6, it says, what do you have to do to figure out how much money they'll earn for selling any number of glasses of lemonade? So this problem is kind of asking us to write an equation, giving our answers in words. So what they're going to have to do is kind of like we've talked about before, is take the number of glasses sold and divide in half. So for example, we have 14 glasses sold, divide by 2, and that's going to equal $7 that they made. If you wanted to write that as an equation, it'd be the money earned equals the glasses divided by 2. Number 7, their goal is to earn $75 for the wildlife refuge. How many glasses of lemonade will they need to sell to reach their goal? So we can kind of use that equation we just did on above, which money sold equals glasses divided by 2. And so I know they want to make $75. $75 is glasses divided by 2. So how many glasses divided by 2 equals $75? Well, I know 75 doubled is 150. So how many glasses will they need to sell to reach their goal of $75? 150 glasses is the correct answer. Looking at the next one, number 8. Here's a recipe for 1 glass of lemonade, 1.5 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Sounds delicious. The pitcher the kids were using held 8 glasses of lemonade. How much lemon juice, sugar, and water did it take to make enough lemonade to fill the pitcher? Ooh, okay, so 1 glass is this, but now I have 8 glasses. So I need to multiply each of these times 8. So reviewing fractions, multiplying fractions, 1.5 times 8 would tell you how much lemon juice. I know that 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 1/2 would be 4. So 8 plus 4 is 12 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm going to write that down. And then the next one would be 1/4 times 8 would tell me my cups of sugar. And I know that that's 8/4, which is the same as 2 wholes. So 2 whole cups of sugar. And then 1 times 8 tells me how many cups of water, and that is 8 cups of water. And lastly, we're looking at the challenge. use your answer to problem 7 along with information below to figure out how much it cost Troy's parents to buy the ingredients for all the lemonade they sold. The kids did reach their goal of earning $75 exactly. Show all of your work. 1 quart of bottle of lemon juice costs $2.95. There are 16 tablespoons in a cup and 4 cups in a quart. A 5-pound bag of sugar costs $3.29. There are 11 1/4 cups of sugar in a 5-pound bag. Looking back at question number 7, I know that they made 150 glasses of lemonade. And then also looking back at the information for number 8, I know how much lemon juice and sugar that's going to take to make 150 glasses. So I'm just going to tell you because I already did the math. It's going to take 225 tablespoons of lemon juice, and it's going to take that's lemon juice. I'm going to say LJ for lemon juice. And it's going to take 37.5 cups of sugar. How I solved that was by doing, tablespoons of tablespoons of lemon juice. 1.5 times 150 equals 225. And then 1/4 times 150 equals 37.5. That's how you would solve that. But now it's asking me for the cost. So how am I going to get a total of 225 tablespoons of lemon juice? Well, I know that 16 tablespoons are in a cup and 4 cups are in a quart. Therefore, they're going to need 4 quarts of lemon juice, or 4 bottles of lemon juice. 1 quart bottle of lemon juice costs $2.95. So then that's going to be 4 times $2.95 equals $11.80. And then how many? They need 37.5 cups of sugar, and a 5-pound bag of sugar costs $3.29. 11 1/4 cups are in that 5-pound bag. They're going to need 4 5-pound bags of sugar. Whew, that's a lot of sugar. So 4 times $3.29 equals $13.16. Add both those together, and we have a total cost for these 150 glasses of lemonade, $24.96. We're not going to be charged for the water. We're not going to take the cost of water into effect. We're going to pretend the water costs nothing. So the answer here to this challenge would be $24.96, and that's all for this homework.